Each of the three blocks P, Q and R shown in figure has a mass of 3 kg. Each of the wire A and B has cross-sectional area 0.005 centimeter square. Young's modulus 2 into 10 power 11 Newton per meter square. Neglecting friction, the longitudinal strain on the wire B is dash into 10 power minus 4. Given G value is 10 meter per second square. This is the given diagram. These two blocks are placed on the frictionless surface, and with the help of a pulley, another block of the same mass is attached to the second block. In this question, we have to find out the longitudinal strain on the wire B. This is first wire and this is the second wire. So first calculate the acceleration of the system. First block P. Only tensional force acts on this block TA. Vertically, this block is in equilibrium position. So TA is equals to mass of the block into acceleration. Given mass is 3 kg and acceleration, let it be A. Take the second block. Second block also vertically equilibrium position and horizontal direction. Right side tensional force TB and left side tensional force TA. The difference of these two tensional forces, this block accelerates right side. TP minus TA is equals to mass of the block into acceleration. And the third block R. This block weight acts in downward direction and tensional force TB in upward direction and resultant acceleration in downward direction. W minus T is equals to MA. Mass of the block 3 kg and given G value 10. 3 into 10, 30. 30 minus mass is 3 kg, acceleration is A. Now from this equation, tensional force TB is equals to TA plus 3A. TA equals to 3A. 3A plus 3A, 6A. Substitute here. 6A is equals to 30 minus 3A. And from this 9A is equals to 30. And acceleration is equals to 30 by 9. 3 3s and 3 10s. Acceleration 10 by 3 meter per second square. So up to here, by using the free body diagrams of these three blocks, acceleration 10 by 3 meter per second square. Now we want the longitudinal strain of the second string. Young's modulus formula. Stress by strain. Strain is equals to stress by Young's modulus. Stress of the second wire. Tensional force by area of cross section. Here into Young's modulus Y. Try to understand this formula. Young's modulus equals to stress by strain. From this, strain is equals to stress by Young's modulus. Stress of the wire is equals to tensional force by area of cross section. Tensional force TB. Find out here. 6 into acceleration 10 by 3. 3 ones, 3 twos. 20 newtons. Tension of the second wire is 20 newtons. 20 by given area of cross section 0.005 centimeter square. Five into 10 power minus 3 into convert centimeter square into meter square. 10 power minus 4 meter square. So 5 into 10 power minus 7 meter square. And also we know Young's modulus 2 into 10 power 11 Newton per meter square. Substitute these values. In place of area 5 into 10 power minus 7. Young's modulus 2 into 10 power 11. 5 2s are 10. This 0 get cancelled. 2 into 10 power 11 into 10 power minus 7, 10 power plus 4. This 10 power plus 4 goes to numerator, 10 power minus 4. So strain is equals to 2 into 10 power minus 4. The longitudinal strain on the wire B is